Welcome back everybody. So far in this series I've shown you the alphabet of music and how we create melodies out of them. This time I have to introduce you to one more element of music before going further. That is the element of chords. A chord in music has a powerful effect of giving a context to a note. I'll give you the same note twice, each time with a different chord, and see the difference. I'll give you this note. I gave you the same note twice, but what a difference. It's a difference between this to this. You heard the same note here. This hasn't changed at all. It's just the chord, the sounds that I'm accompanying it with, changes the context of the note completely. And you will see further in this series how in music this plays a very strong effect of how we're able to utilize this wonderful effect of giving context to a note. I see it also as a wonderful example for all of life of how you can do the same thing, and the context is what makes the difference. The same thing you can do in different contexts and they won't have the same results.